going on, everybody? Grim here, and I am here with the creator of this wonderful thing from Aftershock Armory. I believe it's the Pr41, yeah?
Yes, the
Okay.
Pr41.
This is based off of the Aliens Pulse rifle. It is a completely custom designed, 3D printed beauty and a piece of art that I am utterly in love with. I saw this here today at the Kansas City Nerf War up in Kansas City, the October War. And as far as I'm aware, this is his first 3D printed design as far as I'm aware. Yeah. It runs on a FTW dual stage tester's cage.
FTW.
FTW, okay. FTW cage. That's dual stage running on Merlin wheels, and then I believe
The Moonlight.
Moonlight, yeah. Moonlight wheels, because they found them to be a bit more balanced than the FTW wheels. I believe it can run off of 2S or 3S. 3S is 150 and then 2S is 110, right?
Yes, feet per second.
Has a inbuilt ammo counter and even a Magnus shotgun. There we go. It has 3 shots built into here, and can come with either a rail or no rail. The standard one comes without, and even has a inbuilt metal adjustable stock right here and stock attachment points. I believe this is completely the ultimate HVZ blaster that someone could have. Even has a flared and easy access magwell shooting half darts. Merely press the button right here to turn it on. Set what mode you want it in. So for example, burst, and then fire. There's burst, semi, and full. If you couldn't tell right there, it is solenoid powered and a smooth dream. In the event you actually get a jam, there are 2 screws right here in which you can slide out the barrel for easy maintenance. Takes only talons as far as I'm aware, yes?
Straight talons.
Straight talons, gotcha. It has a ball bearing, so no mag release required, and is an easy take out or pull back in, and is super smooth with its flared magwell. And anything else?
I think that about covers it.
Okay. Well, I will put the links in the description below to everything for Aftershock Armory, and this is a absolutely wonderful piece of hardware. And all I gotta say is thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.